Hello, explorers. Welcome to RX Revelation. Introduction. Zentel Chewable Tablet is an anti-parasitic medicine used for the treatment of parasitic worm infections. It works by killing the worms that cause infections and stops the infection from spreading. Main content: albendazole, 400 mg. Uses treatment of parasitic infections. Take this medicine as advised by your doctor. Action. Zentel Chewable Tablet is an anti-parasitic medication. It works by keeping the worms from absorbing sugar, glucose, thereby depleting their energy level. This causes the worms to die and treats your infection. Side effects. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Common side effects are vomiting, dizziness, nausea, loss of appetite. Safety advice. Caution is advised when consuming alcohol with Zentel Tablet. Please consult your doctor. Zentel Chewable Tablet may be unsafe to use during pregnancy. Zentel Chewable Tablet is safe to use during breastfeeding. Zentel Chewable Tablet may decrease alertness, affect your vision, or make you feel sleepy and dizzy. Do not drive if these symptoms occur.